Filthy Dutch.
Happy Samhain, everyone! Today, let's go to the Sea Witch Festival together. This historic bed and breakfast was actually built in the early 1900s. I really enjoyed staying here with my boyfriend and his family. It was decorated for Halloween all over, and I really felt at home bringing in my historic 18th century witch outfit and putting it in the closet. Since we got there on Friday, Mike and I went to the beach that night, and it was so nice to go in the fall. The beach was totally empty, and it was just really relaxing to sit there and look out on the waves and just kind of enjoy the weather. Saturday, I debuted my 18th century witch outfit that I had made and previewed in my last video so that I could go to the parade. Here you can see me dressing with all the parts and pieces. I made the corset part called the stays in 18th century speak, the shift, which is the white undershirt thingy, the two petticoats or skirts, and the bum roll, which is like the fake butt, because I don't have one, the jacket, and that middle piece called the stomacher. The blue thing is a pocket bag that I made out of some random scrap fabric, and I made it huge. I can actually fit my iPad mini, my camera, and my on-camera microphone in it. The black scarf thing that I wrapped around me is just a piece of black cheesecloth that I seamed on the end so that it wouldn't unravel. It's not historically accurate to wrap it around you like that with a belt and a bag outside of the skirt, but I've been watching Outlander lately, so I figured I could forego a little historical accuracy in favor of the look. I'm actually usually not a parade person, but Mike and I went out to watch the Sea Witch Parade, and it was a ton of fun because it was Halloween themed. I actually got a chance to go to my favorite bookstore on that main street, and it's called Browse About Books, and they have a particularly good selection of witchy books. And this year they actually had a bunch of tarot decks for sale. I bought an adorable cat tarot deck, and I might make a video about that later because I really love it and I love the art. And I also bought 2 pins from the artist's shop, so I'll link everything below. And before we left, Mike and I got our favorite thing at Rehobeth. It's Core Brothers frozen custard. I hope you guys enjoyed a look into the Rehobeth, Delaware Sea Witch Festival, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy Halloween!